Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show how I repaired this plantation shutter. As you can see, a couple of staples popped off and I have 4 shutters that are loose. So let's get to what we need to repair these shutters. If you happen to have the original staple, that's great. Usually it pops right off and lands on the ground. Here's an example, but it's kind of bent and worn. I don't want to use that anymore. It's easy to either buy new staples at a carpentry store or on Amazon. In fact, I'll have a link below. But I like to make my own. It's a lot cheaper, and since I have the material at home. So all I need is 18 gauge, 1/4 width of these regular staples. You just break one off like so, and the distance right here is anywhere between 3/8 and a half inch, so roughly about that size right there. And there you go, made my own. The next step is to just loop this through. Alright, and then position it on the bar. So you position like that, and then you just push it through. Alright, so I started right there. So now I'm going to add a little of wood glue to it. And then I'm going to take this and push it through. Here we go, all done.